Come on, Harvey. Good boy. Get on my finger. You know how to step up? Yeah. You miss mommy? You gonna say hi to your mommy? Hey. Say hi to mommy. No, not like that. What? Harvey. You being a good bird? You my friend? Where's my kiss? Where's my kiss? What? Harvey. Oh. Say, tell mommy hi. Mmm. Mmm. That is so good, Harvey. What? What? Mmm. You want some? Huh? Is it good? Is it good? Where's my kiss? Harvey. Don't you dare. No. No. Hey. Stop. Ow. Ah. What? That's not yours. That good? Harvey, is that good? You like it? Yeah? Mmm. Mmm. What? What? You're not... Don't do that. Ouch. Harvey. Ow. What? You being good? Mmm. You hungry, Harvey? Here. You hungry? This is good. Eat it. No. Harvey. You want it? No. Harvey, come here. Harvey. What? You want it? What? What? You want it? You don't want it, Harvey? Oh, Harvey. No, that's my coffee. No, it's my coffee. Don't do this. Don't do it. What? No, don't tickle me. Harvey. Harvey. No tickle. Can you say step up? No. What? Ow. You want to play tickle tickle? Tickle? Tickle, 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 Harvey. Tickle, tickle. Harvey, go see your mommy. Where's your mommy? Come here. Harvey. No. Are you a good boy? Okay, tell mommy bye-bye. Tell her bye-bye. Huh? Can you tell her bye-bye? What? What? Don't do this. Huh? What? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, mommy. Say bye-bye, mommy. You play tickle tickle? Tickle tickle. Okay, say bye-bye.